everyone, it's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button because you'll find new DIYs, tutorials, and new inspiration here every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now, usually our Christmas tradition is that my son and my daughter each purchase a gift to each other, and on Christmas Eve they exchange them. So it's just something fun for them to do on Christmas Eve before the big morning of Christmas Day. But this year I thought we would do something a little bit different and add in a new tradition, and that is of a Christmas Eve box. Or in our case this year it will be a Christmas crate. So the great thing about it is I found all of these supplies at Walmart, so they should be readily available to you, and they're also extremely inexpensive. So let's go ahead and get started with this project, and I'll show you all the supplies that you'll need. So for our Christmas Eve box, I found this great wooden crate at Walmart that was under $10. Also, I'm going to add a little sign onto the front of mine. So they have this really pretty wood cutout. This one was $1.63, I believe. So together, really inexpensive. I also have some of the Waverly chalk paint that you can find at Walmart. I have white, crimson, and silver lining. I also have some jingle bells that I have left over from a Dollar Tree project and some Walmart ribbon. So this is really pretty, red and white, kind of like a candy cane. And then I have some foam paint brushes. All right, so we're gonna work on the crate first. Of course, you can get so creative with this. You can even use wood stain on this. You could paint this different colors and make it look like a candy cane stripe. Do whatever works for you and it looks cute with your decor, or will make your kiddos happy or make your family happy. I'm gonna paint mine this really light gray in the color silver lining, just because it'll match our home's decor. And then I can actually use like fancier wrapping paper to put in there, and then it's not too clashy. So something a little bit more neutral works for us. I have a foam paintbrush. I'm just gonna make sure that I get into all of these cracks and crevices, the whole inside and all around the sides, and then I'll probably do 2 coats to make sure it's good and covered. All right, so I changed my mind. I did 1 coat on this, and I just really like how it came out. It has more of that weathered gray wood look versus a like completely painted over look. So it's up to you how you want to do yours. Of course, here I love the more rustic farmhousey look, so I'm gonna leave it like this. And now I'm gonna move on to my little front plate here. I'm gonna paint mine white, and then I'm gonna use the red to sort of go around the edges. I want it to look chippy. I want it to look like the red enamel. So it's not gonna be perfect, but I'm just gonna run my paintbrush around the edges just to kind of define the shape a little bit more, because the white and the gray kind of might blend together too much. So that'll help to make the sign stand out. All right, so now that my little sign is finished drying, I'm gonna add a decal to it. I have a Silhouette Cameo that I use to cut my decals with. This is matte black Oracle number 651 vinyl that I'm using. And once I get the decal on there, I can attach it to the front of my crate. I'm gonna use a combination of these 2 glues. This is wood glue and hot glue. This sets up a lot more quickly, but this lasts longer. So I'm gonna use both of those. You could even use a screw to screw through the front of this into the crate, and that is much better of an option, or a more permanent option. Alright, so I thought it would be fun to add a little cute bow and some jingle bells to it too. So I have my ribbon, jingle bells, some baker's twine, and I'm going to attach it all with my hot glue. Now I have so many ideas of what you can add into your Christmas crate. I love the idea of making it sort of an activity box. So one of the ideas that I have for you is to create a baking box. You can add all of the ingredients to make your own cookies or a Christmas cake. You could also put a game in there and have a family game night. Or I love the idea of adding a Christmas movie with some Christmas jammies, Christmas socks, and even a cozy blanket. Whatever you end up adding to your Christmas Eve crate or box, I hope that it brings a little bit of Christmas magic to your home. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button next to me. You'll find more great DIY tutorials in the link below that. And make sure to come find me on Facebook and on Instagram for more inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.